Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your ChatGPT 4 subscription easily. First of all, log into your OpenAI account by visiting chat.openai.com. Make sure you are signed in with the account you used to subscribe to ChatGPT 4. Then, once logged in, click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the page, then select Settings from the menu. After that, in the settings window, click on billing or my plan or subscription. Here, you will see details about your current ChatGPT 4 subscription. Click on manage my subscription and then choose cancel plan. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Your subscription will be cancelled, but you will still have access to the benefits until the end of your billing cycle. And that's it. You will successfully cancel your ChatGPT 4 subscription. Thanks for watching.